I'm Celeste, and this is my husband, Casey, and we're huge Fireclay fans. Fireclay Tile is part of our first major home renovation. The process working with Fireclay was absolutely wonderful from start to finish. We went to the showroom in San Francisco to pick our tile, took it home, picked it out, went back to the showroom and said we need help installing it. And we had a call within 1 day and we were booked within 2 weeks. The experience was unlike any that we had with any other contractor. My perfectionists didn't even have to come out because they were the ones preempting all of our questions. And you could tell that they really take pride in their work, and it's a work of art and craft for them.
My name's Martin Brooks, and I'm the Director of Installation at Fireclay Tile. What makes Fireclay truly special is that we're both a tile manufacturer and an award-winning installer. We're dedicated to our craft, and we care deeply about getting every detail right. Fireclay helps guide our clients through their full tile journey. From design assistance, realistic room renderings, to ordering tile and schedule your installation. We're here to make it as easy and enjoyable for you as possible. When you order and install with Fireclay, you can expect nothing but the very best.
Hiring Fireclay was the best decision for us, and I dare say it may have saved our marriage.